For this subversive group of highly influential and successful clients, these motor cars were exactly right. And they quickly became more than just a product. Black Badge reflects a super luxury subculture, one that has prompted nearly all luxury makers to follow Rolls-Royce and create their own dark products. At Rolls-Royce, we lead because we listen. We know all our clients. They speak to us in person and they speak to us digitally. They tell us what they want. And our business thrives because our response is super accurate in reflecting their desires. In acknowledging this incredible group of outliers, in listening to their demands for something potent, dramatic, but uncompromisingly luxurious, we ensured the ongoing relevance of our brand. We drove down our age profile. We expanded into new geographies. We opened the door to a new, younger set of clients. Black Badge Wraith gave our clients the most urgent and responsive Rolls-Royce ever. And after Wraith, they sought the Black Badge experience in Dawn and Cullinan. And now, the time has come to give them the purest expression of Black Badge yet. Rolls-Royce Black Badge Ghost.